In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access sounds and vibration. Then you can tap on vibrate at the top in the middle to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. By tapping on sound on the left right next to vibrate, you can operate this switcher next to vibrate while ringing to enable or disable this option. Then scroll down, hit cool vibration and pick one of those patterns for your incoming calls, or disable vibrations completely by hitting silent. Then go back, tap on notification vibration and do exactly the same, but for your notifications. Go back again, hit system vibration and adjust intensity of them by swiping left or right on this slider. You can also tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Then go back one last time and tap on vibration intensity to adjust the same system vibration haptic feedback slider, but from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!